Step inside your future home. I'm Liz Tilley and I'm thrilled to welcome you to the Woodhaven 28, a thoughtfully designed showcase by the award-winning team at Creation Homes. Boasting a practical single-storey floor plan, the Woodhaven 28 offers 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a sprawling layout for unparalleled comfort and luxury. A long, wide hallway draws you into the heart of the home, a spacious, light-filled, open-plan living area. I love how it flows effortlessly onto a generous, wraparound outdoor living space, creating connected spaces perfect for Queensland's indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Ideal for family barbecues, relaxed evenings, or entertaining all year round. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and here it's a true standout. A striking marble look stone wraps the island bench and the concealed range hood. Overlooking the main living area and outdoor entertaining space, it's as practical as it is beautiful, complete with premium appliances, generous storage, and plenty of prep space for busy family life. Let's explore the master bedroom. The master bedroom is the ultimate parent's retreat. Thoughtfully positioned at the back of the home and separated from the other rooms, it provides the perfect sanctuary to unwind at the end of the day. The added luxury, direct access to its own private outdoor living space, a generous walk-in robe, double vanity, and stunning freestanding bath in the ensuite. A true sanctuary. Also a spacious leisure room featuring a built-in study nook, ideal for homework, creative projects, or quiet reading time. Designed with growing families in mind, it's a flexible space that complements the home's practical layout. The Woodhaven 28 is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. Designed for families who value comfort, connection, and considered design. Experience the difference with Creation Homes.